Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Betterment ACH Transfer, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you navigate the process with ease. Betterment is a popular investment platform that allows users to manage their finances and grow their wealth over time. ACH transfer is a secure and efficient way to move funds into your Betterment account. To get started, you will need to link your bank account to your Betterment account. This can be done by logging into your Betterment account and selecting the funding option. You will then be prompted to enter your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. It is essential to ensure that the account details are accurate to avoid any transfer issues. Once your bank account is linked, you can initiate an ACH transfer. ACH stands for Automated Clearinghouse, a network that facilitates electronic transactions between banks. The ACH transfer process typically takes 2 to 3 business days to complete, although this may vary depending on the bank and the time of transfer. To initiate an ACH transfer, log into your Betterment account and select the deposit option. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and confirm the transaction. You will receive an email notification once the transfer is initiated, and another email when the funds are deposited into your Betterment account. It is crucial to note that ACH transfers have limits and fees associated with them. The limits vary depending on the bank and the type of account, while the fees are typically minimal or non-existent. However, it is essential to check with your bank and Betterment to understand the specific limits and fees that apply to your account. Best practices for ACH transfers include verifying your bank account details, monitoring your account activity, and setting up notifications to track the transfer process. Additionally, it is recommended to initiate transfers during business hours to ensure timely processing. In conclusion, the Betterment ACH transfer process is a straightforward and secure way to move funds into your investment account. By following the steps outlined in this guide and understanding the key concepts and best practices, you can efficiently manage your finances and grow your wealth over time. Remember to always verify your account details, monitor your account activity, and check with your bank and Betterment for any specific limits and fees that may apply.